Hello Internet, in this video I will do an out-of-box review of the super bright 3-panel LED garage light sold at Costco for $49. You can get the exact same light on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. See the affiliate link below. This is a 2-pack and it is, they claim, 10 times brighter than an equivalent 60-watt bulb, and these are 8,000 lumens a piece, and they're supposed to last 50,000 hours. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. They appear to be good quality out of the box. Do not use with dimmers. Hex bolt. If you need to, you can tighten those, but it gives you a lot of flexibility. So I have the absolute privilege of standing in my dad's garage. So this isn't technically Scott's garage, but my dad's garage. Some of my videos you've seen this 1946 Willys Jeep that we're restoring together. But I'm here, and these lights will be installed in his garage, and I'm looking forward to seeing the contrast between the lights that are there, the two lights here, and what these new LEDs will do. We'll see. Okay, you can see it's quite a bit brighter. This is literally night and day difference. I'm so pleased with these new lights. Again, well worth it in my opinion. Now, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, standing in my father's garage. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing. It was a great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.